How to change your email address on KuCoin. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for KuCoin.com. Make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, tap on your profile icon you see on top toolbar and you will further see the option for account security. Tap on that. Now, under the email tab, tap on the change button you see there. You will then receive a confirmation pop-up. Make sure that emails that have been changed in the past 30 days cannot be used to register new accounts. So, go ahead and tap on the confirm button. You will now receive a verification code in the email address your account is registered with. So, go ahead and enter the verification code and tap on the send button and further tap on the continue button. In the interface that you will then be led to, you will be able to change your email. So, this is how you can change your email address on KuCoin. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.